thank you for joining me again. I am going to show you how to make these cute postcards, and I want to show you how I do the creative process. So from drawing it to actually printing it. And I think this is a very budget-friendly item. And for stationery shops, it's very easy to make. As you can see, if the camera allows, it'll give you the glow or the shine. I'm sorry, not the glow, the shine that comes from the front being laminate and then the back is matte. So I use one of these Tumbo pens, and you can tell this is matte because it didn't run or, you know, like actually worked on the back part because it's matte. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this postcard, I am using a previously drawn illustration. I had this on my sketchbook and I decided to just use previous ones that I liked the way they were coming out. I just never had a chance to go back on Procreate and illustrate it, and that is what I'm doing now. I am adding more color and I'm making it very fall-like. I feel like I always do this. As soon as we hit summer, I want to jump into the next season because fall is one of my favorite seasons. Like Jim Gaffigan said, it's my favorite season that I'm voting for America's next favorite seasons. If anybody knows that comedian, you'll know what I'm talking about. So always keep like a little chart of the colors that you are using if you don't have a palette already saved. I do that on the very corner of my Procreate sheet because that will help me remember which colors, and then you can always use that magnifying glass to click on it. And this is the one I am using for this illustration. I'm using a lot of pinks but also pastel colors.
One day we'll zip away bell sounds to kiss a girl. It's like a dream, I dream Peter Pan for you, oh my, oh oh. La 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 light, bright moonlight, silent night, you say goodnight. Hey, just like beautiful Wednesday, it's gonna be a hopeful day. Someday soon I'm gonna tell the rainbow I'm in love. Oh my, oh oh. I take from starlight, night, singing far into night, and it's
I also like to keep it kind of cool, the image to be cool. Even though it's fall, I don't use a lot of maroons and browns and dark greens. I still like to keep some cool colors in there, and that's where you'll see how I add a little bit of teal within the purple and the lilac. And making the hair like has been a struggle, but I feel like adding a little bit of white gives it a little bit of gloss. I made it into kind of one of those old portrait ovals in the back, and I put it into 4 different images on one letterhead sheet. This is the same way you'll find it on my Etsy shop. And the first thing you need to do is laminate it with these easy liner sheets. You can find them at Walmart. Make sure you are very careful with the laminating process. This is not one of those heat laminating sheets. Oops. So what you'll do is you'll laminate it. Be very careful. Make sure you cover the whole sheet. And if you have any excess, like I do here, just make sure you cut it out. This is very easy to use and to remove. And then also have your cold laminating machine ready. Once you've done your cold laminating, make sure that you cut your cards, and you'll have them like these right here. Get 4 envelopes. I will make sure that you know where I get these from, so you can sell them like this. And you will have your envelope, and then also package them in a nice yellow bag so they can look professional and you can take care of them, because sometimes postmen are not always very careful with our stuff. I wish I could deliver everything personally, because sometimes we get products that might be left like out in the they go on an adventure and it has been raining or snowing, and we sell paper products, so you don't want your paper product to get wet. And I know packaging is always something that we want to use the least of, but I always like to use these because I make sure that I do mail things in cardboard, and if cardboard gets wet, everything else might get damaged as well. So just another little tip to package them in little salo bags. So one letterhead sheet will give you 4 postcards.
It's like a dream, I dream Peter Pan for you, oh my.
By the way, thank you to everybody that has been supporting me and responded to my latest update that I've been prolonging for a while. I had to deal with a lot of health issues and unexpected things. And honestly, I also feel like I needed a break because I was working hard. When you like something, like when you craft something and you dedicate your time to it, not only because you have a boss telling you you have to work and you know they're supervising you because you have to meet a certain quota, but you do it because you do it for the love of art. It's really hard to set marks on your daily time and not concentrate on other important things in life. So I would, you know, like many of us that do this from home, would work just ridiculous amount of hours. Really, I was getting paid like $3 an hour when I did the math, because I was putting so much time into it. And if something wouldn't come out as pretty as I wanted it to come out, I would make it all over again. So I was spending a lot of material and time. And now that I took a good half of the year off from this and I was venturing into other things for our source of income, I feel much renewed. So take a break. If you are stressed, you don't need no Red Bull or Monster or coffee per se. You just need a nap. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, as I will continue to make videos showing you how I ran my Etsy shop and little tips and perks of the business. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Mwah. Bye.